This is the Canva dashboard. You're able to control almost everything in Canva from here, so it's similar to the desktop on your computer. I split it up in 4 different sections. Number 1. The search section. From here you can simply type in what kind of design you would like to create, and Canva will automatically give you the right resolutions. Now this comes in handy if you're just about to create, for example, a quick Instagram story, but you don't have time to browse through all of the social media templates or research the exact resolutions. Here you can see a bunch of templates to select from. Down here you're able to access all of your saved designs. Of course it's empty now since we haven't created any designs yet. But once we start to design stuff, everything will show up here in a chronological order. And the section on the left is the menu. There are a couple of very important functions here, so let's go and explore the menu. Under all of your designs, you can see all of your saved designs. Canva always saves your designs automatically, so you don't have to worry about saving your designs all the time. In my opinion, that is really convenient. Under Photos, you can find Canva's own photo marketplace. Now this is similar to Adobe Stock or Pixabay. The great thing here is that you can find a bunch of free images, and the premium image only costs $1 to use once in your design, so that is definitely a fair price. And if you want to permanently download the image, it costs a little bit more. Alternatively, you can also download as many photos as you want by paying a monthly subscription fee. But you don't need to do that, because later on in the course I will show you great resources where you can get high quality images for free. Brand Kit is great for business owners. For example, you can set your brand colors here, so you have always got quick access to them. If you are a Canva Pro user, you can also upload your own fonts and logos. In my opinion, it is not worth to buy Canva Pro just for these features, because you can add your logos individually all the time, and Canva has already got a very broad selection of great looking fonts. But later on in the course, you will be able to try it out for free, because there I will show you how to get a 30-day free Canva Pro trial. Alright, let's move on to create a team. If you want to work on a design with other Canva users, you can add their email address in here and you can form a team. This can be very helpful if you want to collaborate on a project. Folders should be pretty obvious. It is just a nice place to keep things organized. You can see all of your designs, likes, purchases, and so on. Under Shared with You, you can see all of the designs that other people shared with you. I will show you how to do that later, but for now, just know if someone shares a design with you, it will pop up here. Under Likes, you can see all of the images that you liked. Previously, I really liked this image, but I wasn't 100% sure if I want to buy it. So I simply clicked on this little heart icon, and as you can see, if we like another picture, it will show up under Likes too. Under Uploads, you're able to see all of the files that you uploaded to Canva. Of course, it's currently empty since we haven't uploaded anything yet. Alright, let's now get to the last one, the trash. In my opinion, this is one of the best features that Canva has to offer. I know, this may sound a little bit weird, but it happened to me so many times that I deleted a design on accident. And therefore, it's very convenient that Canva saves your designs for 30 more days after you deleted them, so you're always able to recover them. Alright, now you know how the dashboard works. In the next lesson, we're going to create our first design in Canva, so stay tuned for that.